Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see some things you are forgetting to clean. If you are tackling fall cleaning or just regular cleaning, there are some things in your home you are probably forgetting to clean, even if it's so important to clean them. The kitchen's tap. You can see I have a kitchen faucet that has that type of shower head, but even if you have a simpler one, this will do the work. Put white vinegar in a Ziploc bag, freezer bag, or any little bag you have on hand, then block it on the faucet using a rubber band or a hair band. Make sure the vinegar is covering all the grimy area. You can see it starts to bubble up. The vinegar is working on those calcium deposits. You can already see into the bag some limescale pieces floating around. Let the vinegar do its job overnight. Then, the next day, you can give it an extra scrub. But even if you don't, your tap will be so clean and limescale free. You can use this method on your bathroom shower head too. Another thing you may forget to clean is the dish drainer. If you don't clean it often enough, it will get full of grime, hard water stains, and just disgusting. Spray a cleaner and let it sit. I always use my trusty miracle cleaner that is half dish soap and half vinegar mixed together. It will take care of the grime and everything, but especially gets rid of the hard water stains. I let it sit 1 hour or so, then scrub everything thoroughly. The dirtier the item is, the longer you let sit this cleaner. If you use other cleaners, let them sit according to instructions. It's very important to clean regularly your dish drainer because if you don't, it can become a breeding ground for germs and bacteria, and mildew can easily start growing right where you keep your clean dishes. Avoid health issues by cleaning it regularly and properly, keeping your kitchen safe and hygienic. The last thing is to rinse it very well with hot water and let it dry completely. That's it. Now your dish drainer is clean, shiny, disinfected, and no more watermarks. Another item we often forget to clean is the washer's detergent drawer. Use the cleaner of your choice. Rinse thoroughly the drawer. Spray it with the cleaner and let it sit. Then scrub it everywhere with a sponge, a toothbrush, or even use an electric cleaning brush. The drawer has to be clean, otherwise, over time, detergent or fabric softener can build up inside this drawer, leaving mold or dirt. If not cleaned regularly or properly, particles could end up going into the drum when washing clothes. The soap residue, minerals, and chemicals from your detergent can get locked inside your washing machine and create a thin film that traps bacteria. These bacteria can clog the inner mechanisms, so your water doesn't get as hot and your detergent won't be as strong. It turns out that even tried and true appliances may be harboring pathogens. Research suggests that many household laundry machines contain mold, viruses, and bacteria. Unfortunately, this contaminated laundry can make you sick. The only way to avoid that is to clean them regularly and properly. The frequency of cleaning your washer depends on how frequently you are using it. If you have a big or small family, how many loads of laundry you do a week.
told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special.
Don't forget about the drawers opening. It's very important to clean it very well too. I use the same disinfectant spray, the sponge, and my electric cleaning brush. This way I make sure to do a thorough job. Mold can grow in there, so a thorough cleaning is a must.
Heading to Vegas in my blue striped car. She's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold.
After I wipe clean and let everything to dry until the next day, I put back the drawer and that's it. No more grime, sparkling clean, disinfected, odor-free. Your washer is clean, allowing you to clean your clothes properly.
We're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go.
Another thing you forget to clean is the washer's filter. It's usually located on the bottom of your washer. Remove the cover, drain the water, then take out the filter. A clogged washing machine filter will also develop mold and mildew if it isn't cleaned regularly. Spores will get into your clothes during the wash and cause allergic reactions if you're not careful. The machine will have a shorter lifespan without a regular cleaning or maintenance. Wash your filter thoroughly and let it air dry, then put it back. Of course, don't forget about the filter's opening. You can see that even if I clean it regularly, it has some gunk in there. First, I remove the bigger pieces, then rinse with warm water, spray a disinfectant cleaner, and let it sit according to instructions. While the cleaner is doing its job, I take care of the filter's opening. I don't use a product, just a toothbrush with water. I use the same toothbrush to scrub thoroughly the filter, then rinse and let it air dry until the next day. I usually clean the washer's drawer and filter the same day. This way I don't forget about the filter. Then just put back the filter and its cover and that's it. Your filter is like new. Your washer is ready to help you with your never-ending laundry. The fifth thing you forget to clean is the dryer. Even if you empty the lint trap and the water tank every time you use it, it's very important to remove and clean the condenser. I knew mine was absolutely full of lint because my laundry wasn't drying properly lately, so I knew it's a job I have to do ASAP. Look at that! No wonder it wasn't drying anymore. Everything is clogged up. I want to clean the water tank too because I want to give a really deep cleaning to my dryer. First, I remove the bigger pieces of the condenser. It's absolutely insane the amount of lint stuck in there. Giving the condenser a good shower is the step most people skip, but only this way all the lint will wash off. I cannot tell you how much time I spent doing this because it was really clogged up with so much lint. Washing the lint trap is very important because fabric softeners and dryer sheets can make a chemical buildup on it over time that will prevent the air from circulating properly. Here I show you how dirty the inside of the dryer is. Here I will remove the bigger pieces by hand and with a dry duster. Then I will use glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to clean thoroughly all the inside and the outside of the dryer until it looks like new. I like to take my time on doing this because it's not a job I do often, so when I do it, I want it to be perfect. Here I even use Q-tips for a good cleaning into those crevices. You can tell my dryer was long overdue. Now it's the day to clean it thoroughly, but I won't annoy you with that meticulous cleaning. So, with a little magic, I will show you the end result. Voila! Absolutely sparkling clean. It's important to maintain the inside and the filter of your dryer clean. Regularly cleaning of the dryer will save you energy, make it safer to use, improve its efficiency, provide the drier and fluffier clothes. The greatest danger, however, of not regularly cleaning your lint trap and vent is that lint is highly combustible, and if it comes into proximity to the dryer's heating element, it can quickly ignite and start a house fire. A lint-filled dryer is a glaring fire hazard and can also cause a few other problems you probably don't want to deal with. When your dryer is clogged with lint and debris, it cannot dry anything efficiently. Hot, moist air can't exit properly, which means that air gets trapped inside the dryer drum and keeps your clothes wet for longer. The unit must then operate longer than it should to get your clothing and linens completely dry, which can diminish its lifespan quite rapidly. If you don't want to spend money on repairs or replacement of the dryer, routine dryer cleaning can help. Make sure your dryer enjoys a long, productive life. I leave everything to air dry until the next day, then put all back together and that's it. I hope today's video inspired you to clean in your home all those items you forget about. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!